Good morning, children. Yashi, Raj, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चों. How are you? क्या हाल है? Feeling prepared for UTs? No? Feeling prepared for UT or not yet? Unit test. Confident? Nobody is confident. अच्छा ये बताइए, do you have any problem in syllabus or any other things in any subjects there? You can always share it with me, I tell you. Your names will never be disclosed. Being the coordinator, I can request the teachers if you want something to be done. I can request my colleagues. Okay, let me know. Everything fine in the syllabus? Yes or no? Okay with the syllabus? Everything is done, completed? UT syllabus is completed in all subjects or not yet?
Yes, ma'am.
It's completed? Okay. So you're comfortable with the syllabus, beta? ऐसा तो नहीं है ज़्यादा है कम है something somewhere. If you want, you can always share it with me. If not in the class, you can send a personal message. Okay, we were doing circulation. चलिए छुपा दिया. Tell me which were the 4 things which I discussed with you, which were transported.
Nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and excretory products.
Very good, and are very good. Others also have to speak better. कैसे चलेगा? Okay. Simple organisms. The transport medium is what?
Water.
Yes, it is water. Okay. Anmol, Ayushi, Ifra, Parth, Raj. Puro better. Surabhi, tell me which are the 2 fluids in human body which help in circulation?
Blood and lymph.
Blood and lymph.
Okay, so first slide, I'm confident you can do. Oh, let me hide this. There are 2 types of circulatory systems. Which ones?
Open circulatory
Open type and closed type.
Okay. In open type, when the blood is pumped out of the heart, it is actually thrown out into cavities, open spaces, which are called
Sinuses.
very good.
Sinuses.
We are done with this slide also. You're confident doing it. Examples were arthropods and
Mollusks.
okay. This is which kind of a circulatory system on the screen if you see? Ye wala pura. This one.
Closed.
Closed.
Example was, what is this example? This is a worm. That means it is an
Annelid.
annelid. And we people, that is chordates. Okay. Now let me hide this and ask you. चलो देखते हैं. थोड़ा सा I'll show you. अरे दिख गया ये तो. This is the heart of
Fishes.
fishes. How many chambers?
2.
2. This is the heart of
Amphibians.
yes, amphibians. How many chambers?
3.
3.
And this is
Reptiles.
Except crocodile.
yes. Okay, and this is your name. You have already taken that. And what is the difference between these two? Both of them have 3 chambers. Is there any difference between this and this? Amphibians and reptiles.
The ventricle is much more visible in amphibians' heart.
Very good. The partition of ventricle is very clear. In reptiles, it is not that clear. Excellent. Beta. Incomplete partition for ventricles in reptiles. This we have done. This is 4-chambered crocodile. This was an exception. So this exception comes here. Crocodile, birds and mammals. बेटा मिक्सिंग ऑफ ब्लड यहाँ पे होएगा, यहाँ पे होएगा या लास्ट वाले में होएगा? टेल मी. Mixing of blood, will it take place here in the veins, in the ventricles? फोर चेम्बर्ड हार्ट में वेंट्रिकल्स में ब्लड मिक्स होएगा नहीं होगा?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Oh man.
No, because the walls are very, very clear. Over here, we have got two separate atria. तो ऊपर तो blood mixing नहीं होगा. What about the lower part ventricle? Will the blood get mixed up?
Yes, ma'am.
Just remember that. Okay, we can go according to this. So on the basis of this, we had single circulation, incomplete double circulation, and double circulation. Single circulation we had in fishes. One atrium, one ventricle. Heart से blood जितनी बार जा रहा है, it passes to the heart only once, and it is receiving only which blood we did yesterday? Impure blood. अच्छा, incomplete double circulation में left atrium receives oxygenated, right atrium receives deoxygenated, but नीचे जाके problem हो जा रहा है because we have how many ventricles?
One.
One ventricle.
So oxygenated and deoxygenated, both the blood get mixed up. Don't worry, after I do this concepts review, I'll take up the PDF of NCERT also. वो भी learn करा देंगे. So this is all mixed blood. चलिए यहाँ पे भी देखते हैं. Double circulation, separate atrium, separate ventricle. So will there be a mixing of blood?
No, ma'am.
No.
There will be. ऐसे अच्छा लगता है when you people speak. You people are the future of the country. You people will not speak, then we people, the old people, कैसे चलेगा? Vessels in heart. I was doing this with you. अब छुपाते हैं थोड़ा सा. Composition of blood. चलो, tell me. The first thing was that yellow straw colored liquid. What was it?
Plasma.
Plasma.
What was the percent of plasma in blood?
55%.
95% water.
55%.
नहीं. Blood में plasma कितना percent?
55%.
Yes.
55%.
55%. So I can show you this slide. 55%. Straw colored. What was its pH?
7.4.
7.4.
7.4.
And if this is 55%, then 45% is RBCs, WBCs, and
Platelets.
Platelets.
yesterday we discussed about proteins which are present in plasma, and I talked about a protein which helps in blood clotting. बताइए क्या नाम था उसका?
Fibrinogen.
Yes, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Then we talked about a protein which works as an antibody. Plasma donation इसीलिए करा था कोविड में लोगों ने. What was that protein?
Globulin.
Oh, very nice. Fibrinogen, clotting, globulin, antibodies, albumin is blood pressure. For energy, you have glucose. And for again osmotic balances, you've got these ions, and we had gases for transport, mainly these gases. So we've done till here. I'm starting with this. We are going to start from this today, beta. Okay, chalo. Blood vascular system, we are going to talk about this. This is your artery. देखो ये पाइप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, आगे से मुंह खुला हुआ है, ये गार्डन वाली पाइप समझ लो इसको. This is an artery. You got all the three things inside: WBCs, RBCs, and
Platelets.
Platelets.
they are also called as formed elements. What are these elements? All three of them together. Composition of blood में ये तीनों चीजें, they are known as formed elements. Now let us talk about the scientific name of them. RBCs are called erythrocytes. WBCs are called leukocytes, and platelets are called thrombocytes. So if I say name the three formed elements, they are erythrocytes. Come on, next is
Leukocytes.
Glycosides.
third is
Thrombocytes.
let me hide it. Let me ask you. Leukocytes are which blood cells?
WBCs.
WBC.
Erythrocytes.
RBC.
Okay, thrombocytes.
Platelets.
Name the three formed elements.
leukocyte, thermocyte,
Erythrocytes, leukocytes, and thrombocytes.
Thrombocytes. ठीक है बच्चा? Just remember these names. That is it. चलिए आगे चलते हैं. Let's talk about this. Blood now. Blood, you know the color is red because of the presence of what?
hemoglobin,
Sometimes people say, oh, ये बच्चा तो anemic है. Okay? Anemia problem है इसको. Hemoglobin कम है. So आपको कैसे पता लगेगा whether you are anemic or not? You should check the hemoglobin level of your blood. 100 milliliters of blood, it should be approximate how much? 12 to
16 grams.
ये supposing I want to get myself tested that hemoglobin level ठीक है या नहीं, तो will the doctors take out 100 ml of my blood? Will they take out 100 ml for testing? Is it
No,
practically possible? No, na? Then how do we find out? हमें तो एक standard value पता है, बस 100 ml में इतना grams. Then how? तो 1 ml में unitary method लगाइए. 1 ml will be how much grams?
12 by 100.
Exactly 12 by 100. Okay. So doctors are not going to extract 100 ml blood. They generally take 1 ml of blood and ये वाला वैल्यू निकाल के 12 by 100 जितना आएगा 0.12 जो भी है आपका 0.12 to 0.16 उसके according they will check whether the person is anemic or not. Hemoglobin level is normal or not. What is the lifespan of RBCs?
120 days. 20 days.
120, only 4 months. बेटा इनका lifespan बहुत कम होता है. You must have done it class 10. Why? They do not survive long.
Because
do
they
not
do
have-
nucleus.
Yes, बहुत बढ़िया. Today तो you are answering all questions. बहुत ही अच्छे. So because they do not have a nucleus, they can survive only for 120 days. If we count them, then per millimeter cube area, they are 5 to 5.5 millions. तो आप सोचो कितना ज्यादा है. Where are they formed? They are formed in the bone marrow, red bone marrow. Structure, देखो बेटा structure, biconcave in shape. What is the structure? Biconcave in shape. They do not have a nucleus. However, there are two organelles which are present, that is mitochondria and Golgi complex. Okay, which two organelles present? Mitochondria and
Golgi complex.
Golgi complex.
what is their function? They help in the transport of gases. Okay. Now, what happens is इतनी सारी RBCs हैं बेटा, lifespan से 120 days है. So, after 120 days, these cells become worn out. Worn out मतलब घिस जाते हैं. Worn out, you know, when we say slippers are worn out, tires are worn out, मतलब घिस गए, अब खराब हो गए. They're not functioning properly. So इनको destroy करना पड़ता है. RBCs जो worn out हो जाते हैं, we need to destroy them, and they're destroyed in spleen. Where are they destroyed? Spleen. अब चलिए spleen कहाँ पे होता है ये देखते हैं. This is your J-shaped structure. What is this J-shaped structure called?
Stomach.
स्टमक के बिल्कुल इधर ऊपर देखिए छोटा सा एक कॉकरोच जैसा दिख रहा होगा ये वाला स्ट्रक्चर. छोटा सा. दिस इज स्प्लीन. व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर कॉल्ड?
Spleen.
दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रेवयार्ड ऑफ आरबीसीज. ग्रेवयार्ड जहां भी डेड लोगों को जाके छोड़ के आते हैं, बरी करके आते हैं, दैट इज ग्रेवयार्ड. तो जो हमारे आरबीसीज वॉर्न आउट हो गए, डेड हो गए, उनको यहीं पे भेज देते हैं फॉर डिस्ट्रॉइंग. स्प्लीन. That is why spleen is known as
Graveyard of RBC.
Graveyard of RBCs.
Chale, let us talk about RBCs very quickly. Why are they red?
Hemoglobin.
Due to hemoglobin.
What is the amount of hemoglobin in a healthy individual in 100 ml of blood?
12 to 16 grams.
12 to 16 grams.
What is the lifespan of an average lifespan of an RBC?
120 days.
20 days.
Okay. And how many RBCs will be found per millimeter cube?
5 to
5.5.
5.5.
5.5 million.
Good. Where are they found? Where the formation takes place?
Bone marrow.
Red bone marrow.
Yes. What is the structure?
Biconcave.
Biconcave.
Biconcave. And what is their function?
To transport carbon dioxide and oxygen.
Yes, Peter. And there's one more thing which I would like to ask you. After they become worn out, where are they destroyed?
Spleen.
Spleen.
That is why spleen is known as.
Graveyard
Graveyard
of
of
organs.
RBC.
अच्छा बाकी सब कुछ तो ठीक है ये रेड बोन मैरो क्या हो बोन मैरो तो वी ऑल नो ये रेड बोन मैरो क्या हो
Ma'am, it's present in the bone, the upper part and the lower part.
देखो बेटा रेड बोन मैरो इज गुड वेरी गुड दैट यू ट्राई बच्चे वेरी नाइस देखो बच्चा बोन मैरो यू ऑल नो बट दैट बोन मैरो विच इज फाउंड इन द बोन्स विच आर फ्लैट बॉडी के अंदर जितने भी बोन्स फ्लैट बोन्स होते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल द स्कल द स्टर्नम द पेल्विस फ्लैट बोन्स होते हैं कैसा शेप होता है इनका फ्लैट बोन्स तो दैट मैरो विच इज फाउंड इन द फ्लैट बोन्स दैट बोन मैरो इज नोन एज विच बोन मैरो रेड बोन
Red.
अब ये भी पता लगाना जरूरी है कि इसको रेड बोन मैरो ही क्यों बोलते हैं देखो बेटा फ्लैट बोन्स में जो बोन मैरो होता है इट कंटेन्स स्टेम सेल्स आई एम ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट शेप ऑफ बोन्स फ्लैट व्हिच काइंड ऑफ बोन्स
Flat.
Flat.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारा जो स्कल है स्टर्नम है पेल्विस रीजन है इन दीज एरियाज द बोन मैरो कंटेन्स स्टेम सेल्स एंड यही स्टेम सेल्स बाद में जाके आरबीसी बन जाते हैं रेड ब्लड सेल्स बनते हैं तो एक तरह से देखा जाए तो यही बोन मैरो से आरबीसी बने सो दैट इज व्हाई वी कॉल इट एज रेड बोन मैरो बेसिकली आरबीसीज डब्ल्यूबीसीज प्लेटलेट्स और चीजें भी बनती हैं बट बिकॉज आरबीसीज आर आल्सो फॉर्म फ्रॉम दिस बोन मैरो ओनली फ्लैट बोन्स वाला दैट इज व्हाई इट इज नोन एज व्हिच बोन मैरो
Red bone
Red.
marrow.
Red bone.
चलिए अभी तो आई वांट टू हाइड दिस अगली स्लाइड के बाद then I'll ask you questions. Now we'll move on to the second one. Blood WBCs. What was the scientific name we just discussed?
Leukocytes.
leukocyte.
They're colorless. Their lifespan is how much?
1 to 15 days.
Count is 6,000 to 8,000. कौन से वाले ज्यादा थे बेटा? RBCs और WBCs?
RBCs.
They are also formed in the bone marrow. Apart from bone marrow, they are formed in lymph. I think lymph everybody knows. Lymph glands. Those glands
Yes.
which secrete lymph and spleen. अभी याद है spleen देखा था सबने? You remember this part spleen? देखो
Yes.
बेटा interesting organ है spleen. I'll tell you why. एक चीज को तो destroy कर रहा है और एक चीज को बना रहा है. Spleen. What is getting destroyed over here? Spleen में?
RBC.
RBC. And बन कौन सा चीज रहा है वहाँ पे?
WBC.
So this is the birthplace. We call it mother's cradle actually. This is the birthplace of WBCs, but it's a graveyard for.
RBC.
They're nucleated, they have different types and they're very important for the immune system. देखो बेटा different types. ये देखो neutrophils shape देखो. Eosinophils. Basophils. Yeah, of course, these are your lymphocytes. This is one single, we call it as monocyte. So chaliye, what is the color of WBCs?
They are
Colorless.
colorless.
Okay, lifespan is?
10 to 15 days.
I know it's going to be difficult for you at the end to remember these mathematical numbers, but कोशिश करिए. Mathematical, sorry, millimeter cube, how many?
6,000 to 8,000.
Yes. Now let's move further. And then tell me, what is their function?
They are the part of immune system.
Yes, they are a part of the immune system. Chale, let's go further. Beta, see the first type of WBCs are this one. What is the name?
Neutrophil.
Neutrophil. Neutrophil, we have a word scientific name. They are called heterophils. Heterophils. Okay? अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो ये तीनों अलग अलग हैं, अलग अलग टाइप के दिखाई देंगे. Hetero. So that is why neutrophils are also called as heterophils. 60 to 65% of WBCs are these only. The maximum WBCs in your body are which ones?
Neutrophil.
Neutrophils.
They are called soldiers of the body because they are involved in phagocytosis. Phagocytosis, again a word which we did in 9th, 10th. What does it mean?
Cell eating.
Cell eating.
Cell eating.
Very good. They will eat, consume the entire dead things. Eosinophils, also called as
Acid
Acid
fill.
fill.
they contain acids and they cause allergy. So whenever there is an infection, to fight against that infection, resist that infection, they cause allergic reactions. Third is basophils, also called as cyanophils. They secrete all these histamine, serotonin, heparin. These are chemicals which help in inflammatory reactions, which help in inflammation of the body. They'll protect you from certain infections. Largest WBC is monocyte. Largest WBC is monocyte. Its function is phagocytosis. And the smallest WBCs are lymphocytes. Smallest WBCs are called
Lymphocytes.
Lymphocyte.
lymphocytes. They are of two types, B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes, and they secrete antibodies. They are responsible for making antibodies in the body. B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes are there. B lymphocytes basically are responsible. Okay, chalo, let me do this with you. एक बार figure देखते हैं. बेटा इसमें और इसमें कोई डिफरेंस दिख रहा है आपको? एक मिनट. See these. Neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. They are all put in the category of granulocytes. Okay? फिर से देखो बच्चे, ये जो ऊपर वाले हैं दोनों, तीनों, न्यूट्रो, eosino, and basophil. We put them in a category of granulocytes. What do we call them as?
Granular cell.
Annular site.
Granulocytes. और नीचे वालों को we call them as agranulocytes. So इसमें क्या मतलब है? What does this actually mean? देखो भैया, these three are granulocytes and this is agranulocytes. Granules means small particles. This granulocyte word comes from the word granules. Granules का मतलब होता है बहुत छोटे छोटे particles. And these granules are generally released whenever there is an allergic reaction, infection, ये वाला. तो ये तीनों तो हो गए हमारे granulocytes. ये क्या रिलीज करते हैं? Granules. Whenever there is an allergic reaction or anything, they'll start secreting what? Granulocytes.
Granule.
Small granules. Okay. Granules means what? Small particles.
All particles.
So which are the three categories which you will put under granulocytes?
Neutrophils. Eosinophils. Basophils.
Very good. अब A granulocytes आ गए. बहुत प्रॉपर ग्रैन्यूल्स आपको साइटोप्लाज्म में दिखाई नहीं देंगे इन A granulocytes. If we talk about lymphocytes are very special beta because इनका न्यूक्लियस इतना बड़ा होता है कि most of the cytoplasm जो है this is occupied by the nucleus. ये जो हमारे मोनोसाइट्स हैं they are the largest WBCs. देखो, they have largest nucleus. WBC सबसे छोटे, sorry, and the largest nucleus. So there are two types of WBCs, granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes are again of three types, neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. And agranulocytes are again of two types, monocytes and lymphocytes. I'm giving you 1 minute. Just learn these categories, that's it, and their functions. No need to learn the percentage. Just take 1 minute, then I'll again ask you and we'll discuss. Chalo, I'll help you. How many types of WBCs? Main two categories.
Neutrophils and
ये
eosinophils.
तो मैं बताइए बेटा, बहुत broad category. Granulocytes and
Agranulocytes.
yes. Now name the three granulocytes.
Neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils.
Very good. And name the two granulocytes.
Monocytes and lymphocytes.
Very, very good. So you need to remember them. Which ones are known as soldiers of the body?
Neutrophils,
Very good. Which ones help in phagocytosis?
Neutrophils and monocytes.
Neutrophils and monocytes.
The word granulocyte actually comes from the word granules, which means
Small particles.
particles.
yes, beta. So we are doing WBCs. WBCs are called what in biology?
Leukocytes.
Leukocytes.
And RBCs were called.
Erythrocytes.
Erythrocytes.
So we are done with erythrocytes. We are done with lymphocytes. Now we'll move on to the third category. थोड़ा सा learning है इसमें, but never mind, साथ में जाएगी. Thrombocytes, platelets. Color is colorless. Lifespan is 7 days. Count is this. No need to learn this figure. No need. They are formed in megakaryocytes in bone marrow. They are non-nucleated and their function is blood clotting. बाकी सब तो learn हो जाएगा. What is this megakaryocytes in bone marrow? This is what we are going to study. Megakaryocytes. बेटा, if you break the word ना, आपको automatically इसका meaning मिल जाएगा. बताओ, guess करो. Megakaryocytes. मेगा का मतलब छोटा या बड़ा?
Large.
Large.
Large. Karyo word in biology means prokaryotes, eukaryote, karyo. The word karyo in biology is what?
Nucleus.
Very good. It is nucleus. So you break this word, megakaryo means a large nucleus. Actually, beta, there are some cells where DNA duplication takes place at a very fast speed. Very fast speed. Cell division भी नहीं होता है and DNA duplication start हो जाता है. Normally, it's after cell division that DNA duplicates and becomes double in amount. But in these cells, the DNA duplication is very fast. Without cell division, DNA divide करने लगता है. This process is also known as endomitosis. Without cell division, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी DNA divide करता चला जाता है. Many times. And because of this, to adjust DNA, वो cells बहुत बड़े बड़े हो जाते हैं. Nucleus बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है. Because you know DNA is found in the nucleus only. So the nucleus enlarges and the cell also enlarges in size. That is why we call these cells in bone marrow as megakaryocytes. Megakaryocytes are those cells which are comparatively very large. They have a very large nucleus, and those cells in which DNA duplication takes place at a very fast speed. Normally, with a cell division के बाद आपका you're going to have this, but in this, without cell division, DNA duplicates. And this process where DNA duplicates without cell division is also known as endomitosis. That is one part. But because इतना ज़्यादा DNA बन रहा है, तो उसको adjust करने के लिए nucleus बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है. That is why these cells in bone marrow are known as megakaryocytes. What are they called?
Megakaryocytes.
अच्छा, tell me, red blood cells were made in bone marrow, ना? Special bone marrow. कौन सा bone marrow था वो?
Red
Red.
bone marrow.
Very good. And platelets, thrombocytes are made in which cells in bone marrow?
Megakaryocytes.
Yes. Out of the three, which one is nucleated? Erythrocytes, leukocytes, thrombocytes. Which one is nucleated?
Leukocytes.
Okay. And the other two are obviously non-nucleated. What is the function of platelets?
Blood clotting.
Clotting.
Blood
What is it?
clotting.
What was the function of WBCs?
They were the part of the immune system.
Immune system.
What about RBCs?
Transport of O2 and CO2.
Very good. Transport of O2 and CO2. So we have done, this is the composition of our blood. Okay, blood, we had 3 kinds of cells. Which were they? Formed elements, erythrocytes. कहाँ पे बनते हैं बेटा? Which part of the bone marrow?
Red bone marrow.
Bone
Very
marrow.
good. What was their function?
Transport of O2 and CO2.
Transport of O2 and CO2.
WBCs are formed in 2-3 places. One is the bone marrow, the other is
Lymph and spleen.
Lymph glands.
WBCs are formed in spleen. And what is destroyed in spleen?
RBCs.
RBC.
RBCs.
Very good. So we did this immunity. This is WBCs. We got 3 kinds. अब ये बहुत interesting है. Blood coagulation. There is a word hemostasis, which you need to understand. Hemostasis. This means prevention of blood loss through injuries. Yesterday, you remember I talked about a disease जिसमें blood clotting नहीं होता है, royal family में है. What is the disease called?
Hemophilia.
Hemophilia.
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग डिजीज होता है बेटा. फीमेल्स दे कैरी द डिजीज बट उन पे इफेक्ट नहीं आता है. द इफेक्ट इज ओनली ऑन मेल्स. वेरी रेयर केसेस वी कैन हैव अ फीमेल एज अ हीमोफिलिक एंड दैट टू तब होगा इफ द मदर इज अ कैरियर एंड द फादर इज अ हीमोफिलिक. दोनों अगर हीमोफिलिक है, एक हीमोफिलिक कैरियर एंड दूसरा हीमोफिलिक, ओनली देन द डॉटर्स विल हैव दिस. Daughters generally do not have this. Very rare cases. Hemophilia is only found in the sons. So if you talk about the royal family, then Queen Elizabeth is the carrier, but she's not affected by this. Affected ones are the sons, that is Prince Charles and Prince Andrew. They are the ones who are affected. Blood clot nahi hota hai. This is, okay, we had this disease hemophilia. Hemophilia se hi you need to remember the word hemostasis. Prevention of blood loss through injuries. अब हीमोफिलिया तो नहीं चाहिए ना. So we people want hemostasis. We want hemophilia or we want hemostasis?
Hemostasis.
Hemostasis. We want that there should be no blood loss. रोकना है. Prevention of blood loss through injuries is what we call as hemostasis. अब blood coagulation कैसे होता है इसको समझेंगे. थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है बट आ जाएगा समझ में. देखो बेटा, this is the site of injury. यहाँ पे चोट लग गया. Everybody can see the site of injury. So 2 things have got damaged over here. One is the platelets and the other is the tissue. Which 2 things get damaged? जहाँ पे चोट लगती है आपको 2 things get damaged. One is the platelets. Okay, and the second is?
Tissues.
Yes, tissues. अब जो भी damage हुआ, this what if from there we have, यहाँ पे damage हो गया, thromboplastin is released. What is released over here? इसी जगह पे रिलीज होएगा. Thromboplastin. Yes. Okay. This thromboplastin will again release further an enzyme which is known as thrombokinase. What is the name of the enzyme?
Thrombokinase.
It is actually a prothrombin enzyme. Prothrombin means inactive form of this enzyme, thrombokinase. Now we need a particular ion to make it active. And that ions are which ions?
Calcium ions.
Calcium ions. So this inactive form, which is released, that is prothrombin, is first converted into the active form thrombin. It is converted into active form thrombin. Now thrombin will further release a soluble, blood soluble product, that is fibrinogen. याद होगा ये पढ़ा था blood clotting करते समय इस प्रोटीन के बारे में पढ़ा था.
Yes, ma'am.
Fibrinogen. This is soluble. Further, when this fibrinogen gets this thrombin, thrombin कहाँ से आया? Prothrombin से. This thrombin, when it combines with fibrinogen, this soluble fibrinogen converts into insoluble subform, which is known as fibrin. What is it called? Fibrin. This is insoluble. Okay, and आपका ये ट्रैप कर लेगा, किस किस चीज को ट्रैप करेगा, डेड एंड डैमेज फॉर्म्ड एलिमेंट्स, जितना भी यह डेड डैमेज एलिमेंट्स है, और एक पतली सी लेयर बन जाएगी जिसको हम क्लॉट बोलते हैं. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज कोएगुलम. व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? कोएगुलम. चलिए, आई एम गोइंग टू डू इट अगेन विद यू. सबसे पहले यहाँ पे चोट लगा, साइट ऑफ इंजरी. ठीक है, I'll just give you 1 minute. Just go through the flow chart. I'll explain once again and we'll learn it here only. Don't worry. यहीं पे कराऊंगी. See in the chart, बेटा. देखो बेटा, there are 3 main steps in blood clotting. पहले मैं इसको समझाऊंगी, फिर इस पे दोबारा आ जाए. ठीक. सबसे पहले there is a, यहाँ पे चोट लगा, जहाँ पे चोट लगा, सपोजिंग यहाँ पे चोट लगा ना बेटा, यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ के जो ब्लड वेसल्स है ये वाले पार्ट पे, दे क्लॉट, दे कॉन्स्ट्रिक्ट, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. जहां भी चोट लगेगी वहां के ब्लड वेसल्स में कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होगा. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. ये तो केमिकल रिएक्शन है, ये बाद में समझते हैं. आप यहाँ देखो, wherever we've got injury, the first thing that is going to happen is constriction, contraction हो जाएगा blood vessels का, जिससे क्या बनता है, एक छोटा सा इस जगह पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होने के बाद यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा टेम्पररी प्लग बनता है. दिस प्लग इज नोन एज प्लेटलेट प्लग. जहां पे ये कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हो गया, छोटी सी एक जगह बन गई, प्लग. What is this plug called? This is temporary. This plug is known as platelet plug. What is this plug called, children? This is called as the platelet plug. Okay, I know it is sounding a little difficult for you, but never mind. आप कोशिश करो इस. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Which is the first stage? Damage हुआ. After damage, a small plug is formed. What is the plug called? What is that plug called, children?
Platelet plug.
Yes, it is called platelet plug. And जैसे ये plug बन जाएगा, this is an indication for these कि ये सब अब start हो जाना चाहिए, ये reaction सारा. ये जो पूरा process है, this is known as coagulation cascade. जैसे आर्मी सब इकट्ठा होकर अटैक करता है, cascade. तो सब रेडी हो जाएंगे एकदम से. Cascade. कब रेडी होंगे? जब क्या बन जाएगा? What will be formed?